Guys, just discovered that with the drag bars on, no surprise, at full lock, things touch the tank. So I'm just going to install these lifted sports bike style bars, or tracker bars, just to give me an extra couple of inches of lift to clear the tank. I'm not sure whether this will be long term, but it'll make the bike rideable in the short term. Even though the tank is patinaed, just gonna cover it with a blanket to protect it from the bars hitting or anything that I drop hitting, or the end of the socket ratchet hitting. Guys, there is the tracker style bars, just to give me a couple inches of lift to get the switchgear up off the tank so that it's not grinding it. It gives me the full lock side to side. Just makes it easy to ride in town if it's not banging on the tank. Always thought that this could be the case, that with the drag bars it wouldn't fit, but it was an easy fix, and I had these lying around. These were on the original XV750 that I had many years ago. So they've been sitting in the shed crying out to be put on a project, and here they are. I think they look great. So everything is back, clutch switch is engaged, etc. Yeah, I think that looks great. Quick video, guys, after a couple of weeks of long ones. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you'd like to support the channel, go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. Till I see you next time, guys. I'm out.